Hey everybody, welcome back to this Tamiya TC-01 formerly E kit build. It's going to be a short video today. All we're going to do is assemble the steering linkage and install them onto the chassis. So let's get started. Okay, the tree parts that we need is on this one right here, is the T-tree. This kit did come with a lot of the bigger bearings, but it is using metal bearings for this, and I want to use ball bearings all around. All right, and for the next part, we're going to need the Loctite again, and we're going to be putting a screw onto this hole right there. Now we need to do something similar with this piece right here. We need to put two ball studs on the bottom. Going to be starting with the hex driver, and we're going to come from this end. All right, make sure you're using the shorter one of these screws. All right, there we go. All right, for the next step, we're going to need two of the tiny bearings, or using the metal bearings, it's going to be this one. We're just going to pop these into here. And we're going to use these screws to fasten them. Right, and when you're done, it should look like that, and both sides should move freely. All right, for the next step, we're going to be building these steering linkages. All we need to find is this screw right here, probably the two remaining, and I'm going to drive it into the end. It says here, if you want to adjust the toe angle, you put on a spacer. I'm going to put one on just to show what that looks like, so that the link here is going to be a little bit longer than if I didn't put it on. Okay, there's one, and there's the other one. Okay, and the final step for today is to put everything onto the chassis. And we're going to drive from the bottom. And before we mount everything on, I'm going to put the two steering links onto each end, right here and right here. Okay, and just make sure no screws have fallen off, no bearings have fallen out. And we're just going to set this on here and there, just like that. Right, and we're done for today. It's just a real quick video on how to build and install the steering linkage. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.